It's a brand new website that will pay you just to watch YouTube videos. Signing up to it is absolutely free. They even have an app so you can do this even with your smartphone device only, and all you have to do is click view, watch the video, and collect your earnings. You can withdraw your money through PayPal, bank transfer, and some other payment options are also available. Now, the main reason I want to share this with you today is because I feel like we're all spending way too much time binge watching YouTube videos. I don't know about you, but I personally spend hours a day entertaining myself through YouTube. And obviously I often feel bad because I have a feeling as if I was wasting my time. And that's why I went out there, I spent countless hours researching the web, and I came across some of the best platforms that we never talked about earlier that will pay you for watching those YouTube videos. So now you will not have to feel bad for spending hours a day watching funny YouTube videos, because you will actually get paid for doing that. But before we start this tutorial, make sure to drop a like to this video if you love making money online, and let's see if we can get to 2,000 likes in this one. Scroll down below and tap the like button until it becomes blue. Alright, so today we will be using 3 different absolutely free platforms in order to make money just by watching YouTube videos. Stay tuned until the end and I will tell you which one I personally prefer and which one pays the most amount of money. We never talked about any of these platforms and you're just going to love them. This is the first one, and with this one you can actually get paid for doing a lot of different stuff which you normally do every single day. I'm gonna show that in a minute, but as you can see, you can make money online either with your phone, computer, laptop, or a tablet and get paid wherever you are without investment. It's all obviously absolutely free, and they also have their app which you can install to your smartphone device and make money even with just your phone. I'm using the desktop version because it's gonna be easier for me to explain it over to you. Now on this page they will be explaining you a little bit more about how their website works and stuff, but all you quite literally need to do is once you come over to the website or you install the app is just click on the registration button over here, and that will take you over to the page where you can create a brand new account by either signing up with Google, Microsoft, or by manually entering your email address and by creating a password. And I think that this website is worldwide available, so they will pay you no matter where you are in the world, but you will need to check if it does work in your country or not. Once you create an absolutely free account on this website, this is how it's gonna look like. This is the dashboard where you can track your earnings and track your balance. You can see how much money you made today, how much money you made yesterday, how much money you made in the past 7 days and in the past month, and then of course the overall in total how much money you made with this website. Now I forgot to say this, but this website name is zareclamy.com. So this is already zareclamy.com. You can either come over to Google Play Store and search for this app, install it to your smartphone device, or if you're using the desktop version like I am, just go straight to the website to zareclamy.com and sign up for absolutely free. And also stay tuned to see 2 more platforms which I want to share with you. Anyways, with Zareclamy, once you log in into your account, here on the left hand side you will be able to click on earn section over here. Click on that and that will take you over to the page where you can select how you want to get paid. You can get paid to browse websites, to watch videos, to watch ads, and that's a really good way to make money online because it doesn't require a lot of work from your side. It just requires one click of a button. You just click on a watch video or you just click on a view ad and that's it. You don't have to spend minutes or hours doing some work, completing the survey or completing the offer. You just click and you can do something else while your earnings are rising on this website. Then you can also get paid to leave engagement on social media, and by that you can make money by following people on Instagram. You can get paid to like their posts, to like YouTube videos, to watch YouTube videos, to comment underneath YouTube videos, and so on and so forth. As you can see, they even have a special section where you can write comments and reviews and also get paid for that. You can fill out surveys and much more. Now I don't really recommend you go with filling out surveys and writing reviews because that takes a lot of time and effort. It will obviously pay you a lot more money, but it just requires a lot of time and effort. It's not easy to do these two, so I would rather focus only on browsing websites, videos, ads, and leaving engagement on social media. So you can click on underneath leave engagement on social media, you can click on the earn button right here, and that will take you over to the page where you can select exactly how you want to get paid, exactly what you want to do and get paid. And and let me show you how you will get paid to watch YouTube videos. As you can see, the first section that pops up is YouTube. So you can click on the YouTube views over here, and that will take you over to the page where they will leave you with different videos to watch. And those videos are not boring. You can actually get paid to watch some entertaining and sometimes useful videos from which you will learn something, and you will get paid for watching it. So for example, you can watch this video, you can just click on the earn button, and that will take you over to the second page. Let it just load. It will start playing some random YouTube video which you will need to watch. Of course, you don't actually need to spend time watching the video. You can just let it play through. You can maybe focus and do something else, or open up these videos in different tabs to maximize your results, and you will still get paid. And that's why I love it. It's kind of like passive income. You're not actively doing anything. You just click the play button and you can do something else, and then you will be able to come back and collect your earnings. So you can go through all of those videos, watch them until the end, and get paid again and again. Each time you watch the video, earnings on your dashboard will update and you will be able to see your earnings. It's not paying a lot, but it will quickly add up. And I mean, it's super easy. The more you click on those videos, the more you watch them, the more money you will be able to make. Of course, depending on the country you are coming from, you will get paid either less or more per video you watch. If you're coming from a top tier country, you will get paid a lot more for watching those videos. If you're coming from a country where the economy is not that great, then you will get paid a little bit less, but don't worry, because it will quickly add up and you will be able to withdraw your money. Now, of course, to maximize your results with this website, you saw that you can do all sorts of things. They will pay you sometimes even more money. Under the leave engagement and social media section, you can make money by, once again, viewing YouTube videos. You can maybe leave some subscriptions on YouTube channels. You can like YouTube videos, leave Instagram followers. You can watch Instagram videos and also get paid for doing that. And you have all of these social media platforms on which you can leave engagement and get paid for doing that. It's all absolutely free, and it's really easy and simple. It's a really great website, and it's a really great app from which you can make decent amount of money. And it's a relatively new app that not a lot of people know about, so I highly recommend you jump on it before it becomes oversaturated. Once again, that's zareclamy.com, or the app name is just Zareclamy. You can sign up for absolutely free and get paid to watch YouTube videos and do all of those sorts of things on social media. The second website which I wanted to share with you today is called timebox.com. This is over at the timebox.com, and I'm not really sure whether they have an app for this one or it's just a website for which you will need to sign up. But anyways, it's a really great one because it will pay you for some really unique stuff. Like, it's gonna pay you to post stuff on TikTok, to view funny slideshows, to play games, install apps and whatnot. But they also do have an option for you to get paid just for watching videos, and I really love it because they have daily bonuses. Each time you log in into your account every single day, they will give you some absolutely free bonuses. And yes, you can start earning instantly, which means you don't have to wait around for weeks to get accepted into something. You can sign up today and still be able to earn money, which you can then spend on whatever you want to. So just come over to timebox.com. You can either sign up with Facebook, which is a lot easier and faster because it requires just one click of a button, or you can do so by entering your email address manually and by creating a password. And once you create an account, just log in, and this is what you will see. This is a brand new account, and you can see people from all over the world are making money like every 10 minutes. Every couple of minutes, people are being paid with this website. You have people from Brazil and India that are making money every single day, and people from all over the world are using this website because it's all absolutely free and it's really easy. You can just go to the earn section over here. You can complete different tasks, different surveys, but you can also get paid for watching videos under the offer walls and tasks section. Once again, this is over the timebox.com. Sign up for free and get paid once again without investing any money. Third and the last website that I wanted to share with you today is called quickrewards.net. This is over at the quickrewards.net. This one is also going to pay you for different stuff. It's not as unique as the previous two websites, but it's still decent and it pays really nice. So you can complete different surveys, which is also something that I don't recommend. It requires a lot of time and effort, and it's just not worth it. You can definitely play games because that's the easy part. I mean, it's something that we probably do every single day. I don't know if you play games every single day, but I sometimes like to unwind, you know, just to play some game on my phone. And now know I can actually get paid for doing that. It's not gonna be a lot of money, but still a couple of dollars here and there for having fun on my phone. It's not bad at all. Then you can also watch videos, of course, it's something that we came for, and we will talk about it in a minute. Then you can also complete different offers, and you can get cash back if you shop online, which is also great. Now, they've been online for a while. They've been online for over a decade, and the reason I really love this website and I really recommend it is because the minimum to withdraw, the minimum to redeem is just 1 penny, 1 cent. You don't have to wait until you have a couple of hundreds of dollars or whatsoever, but as soon as you start making money, you can instantly cash out, instantly withdraw your money. You can withdraw your money through PayPal, Amazon gift cards, or free in-store gift cards to nearly 50 national retailers. Now, of course, I guess that most of you guys will go for PayPal because you can then spend that money on whatever you want to. But in case PayPal is not available in your country, don't worry, because as you can see, you can get some gift cards which you can spend on some of these retailers. Now, to get started with quickrewards.net, you will just come over to their official website. You will click on create an account. You will sign up for absolutely free. You can go to the watch videos section, start watching those videos, and collect your earnings again and again. Once again, 3 different websites: zareclamy.com, timebox.com, and quickrewards.net. I hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in some of the next videos.